Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will solve a nice equation which is a 1 divided by x raised to the power 5 minus 2 divided by x raised to the power 4 plus 4 divided by x raised to the power 3 minus 8 divided by x raised to the power 2 plus 16 divided by x is equal to 32. And we will solve this equation for x. Okay. So in denominator we have highest power is 5. So we will multiply whole equation with x raised to the power 5. Multiplying x raised to the power 5 on both sides. So it will become x raised to the power 5 times 1 divided by x raised to the power 5 minus 2 divided by x raised to the power 4 plus 4 divided by x raised to the power 3 minus 8 divided by x raised to the power 2 plus 16 divided by x, and it is equal to 32. Now when we will multiply x raised to the power 5 inside the bracket, then this x raised to the power 5 and x raised to the power 5 will be cancelled out and it will become 1 minus, from here 4 powers of x will be cancelled out, so it will become 2x plus similarly it will become 4x square minus 8 x raised to the power 3 plus 16 times x raised to the power 4, and it will be equal to 32 x raised to the power 5. Now we will take this all left hand side to the right hand side, so it will change its signs. Plus 1 will become minus 1, minus 2x will become plus 2x, plus 4x square will become minus 4x. Similarly, all terms will change their signs. So it will become 32 raised to the power x raised to the power 5 minus 16 raised to the power x raised to the power 4 plus 8 times x raised to the power 3 minus 4 times x raised to the power 2 plus 2x minus 1, and this side will be equal to 0. Okay, here we have 32 x raised to the power 5, and we know that 32 is same as 2 raised to the power 5. Similarly, 16 is same as 2 raised to the power 4. 8 is same as 2 raised to the power 3. 4 is same as 2 raised to the power 2. So, here we have 2 raised to the power 5 and x raised to the power 5. So, we can write it as 2x whole power 5 minus 2x whole power 4 plus 2x whole power 3 minus 2x whole power 2 plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we have 2x, 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 2x and 2x are same. Now we will let here that t will be equal to 2x. Then our above equation will become t raised to the power 5 minus t raised to the power 4 plus t raised to the power 3 minus t raised to the power 2 plus t minus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, so here we have power 5 and here we have power 4. So we can write t raised to the power 5 as t raised to the power 4 plus 1 minus t raised to the power 4. Similarly, here we have t raised to the power 3, which can be written as 2 plus 1 minus t raised to the power 2 plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, you can see that we have t raised to the power 4 as a common factor, so it will become t minus 1. Similarly, from these two terms, we have t raised to the power 2 is common, so it will become t minus 1 plus t minus 1 will be equal to 0. Now, in all these terms, we have t minus 1 is common. So, t minus 1 will be common. It will become t raised to the power 4 plus t raised to the power 2 plus 1 and it will be equal to 0. Okay. Now t minus 1 will remain same. We will add t square and also subtract t square in this term. So it will become t raised to the power 4 plus t square plus 1 plus t square minus t square, and it is equal to 0. Now t minus 1 is a common factor. From this factor, we can write t raised to the power 4 as t square and its whole square, and this t square and this t square will become 2t square. We can write 1 as 1 square and this minus t square will remain same and it will be equal to 0. Now you can see that it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square, and here a is t square and b is 1, minus this t square times t minus 1 and it is equal to 0. Okay. If we consider this t square plus 1 as a and this t as b, then it will be a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus ba plus b, as we know that. So here a is t square plus 1 plus t, and then t square plus 1 minus t, and it is equal to 0. Now we have three factors which are equal to 0. Okay, so it will become t minus 1 is equal to 0, or t square plus 1 plus t is equal to 0, or t square plus 1 minus t is equal to 0. From this factor, t minus 1 is equal to 0, the value of t will be equal to 1. And here we have a quadratic equation which is in the form of t square plus t plus 1 is equal to 0. And the other factor is t square minus t plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will solve these two factors. So it is in the form of a quadratic equation, so we will apply here quadratic formula. As we know that quadratic formula is t is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here a, b and c all are equal to 1. So t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square will be 1 minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. Similarly, we will substitute the values of a, b and c for this factor. T will be equal to, here b is minus 1, then it will be equal to minus times minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. So it will be equal to t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, and here t will be equal to minus will become plus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So from here t will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. And here t will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. And we know that square root of minus 1 is same as iota divided by 2. Similarly, here t will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. As here we have t is equal to 1 is the first value of t, but if we recall that t is equal to 2x, so it will become 2x will be equal to 1, as we have t is equal to 1, when we substitute t is equal to 2x, then it will be equal to 2x is equal to 1. When we'll divide 2 on both sides, so the value of x will be equal to 1 divided by 2. So it is our first value of x. So here we have t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So when we will substitute the value of t is equal to 2x, so it will become 2x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. Dividing 2 on both sides to find the value of x. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. X will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 4. So these are the other two values of x. Second value is minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 4, and the third value is minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 4. Okay. T is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. When we will substitute here, t is equal to 2x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. Same steps will apply here, dividing 2 on both sides. So the value of x, 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 4. So these are the other two values, fourth and fifth values of x. So these are all 5 values of x for this problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.